Okay, go ahead. Okay, so we've just upgraded the memory. I replaced these two memory sticks with 4 gigabytes, and now I'm going to turn it on and see if the computer automatically configures it and recognizes the change. So here we go, it's booting up. I've got a little cursor. Now it's saying that the time of date is not set, or the time of day, and alert, the amount of system memory has changed. So it says to continue, press the F1 key, and to change the setup options, press F2. So F2, I would go into the setup, and you can see that I can set the date and time right here. So actually, it looks pretty good, although the time is not right. The date is right. So the time is, let's see, it's probably like 9 o'clock. So we'll put it to 9 o'clock.
No, 9:25.
9:20, okay. So 9:20. And then we'll look at the system information. So it has... So it does recognize the memory. So we had this 2 gigabytes before. We put in a stick of 2 gigabytes and 4, so we have the grand total of 6 megabytes. So it did see it. So now we're going to exit. And actually, while we're looking, we see we have a 160 gigabyte hard drive in there also, and a DVD read-write player. So I'm just clicked on exit. And now we'll see if it boots up, recognizing the 6 gigabytes of memory. So we've got the blinking cursor, and starting Windows, good sign. So it looks like it recognized it. Once I made the changes and setup, and remember I went in by pressing the F2 key to get to setup. Now it's starting Windows. And here we go, we're in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.